All right. This is a tour of room 626 at the Ramkota Hotel and Conference Center in Casper, Wyoming. Here we have a door. We have a closet, open closet with a laundry bag and some hangers. Interesting layout here. We'll show first the entire room here. Let's look at the bathroom first. We have a light switch that glows in the dark with a nice light here. This hotel is it's Wyoming themed. It's the Wild West. So you'll see aspects of that just in the light fixtures as well as the furniture and the colors and stuff. So let's go into the bathroom here. Light and fan. We also have heat lamp. So here we have, the darker colors. Nice bathroom. This was in like the shape of a flower. We have soap, wipes, nice sink, nice counters, nice and low. Here's the bathroom. The floor is nice. Tissues. And take a look at the shower. Look at that heat. That heat lamp really works, I'll tell you that. The door is, I'd say about 2 feet wide actually. It's a little bit skinnier than I thought it would be. But look at the tile. Look at the tile. Look at the tile work. They didn't have to do this, but they did. Look at that. So it is themed for here. And we have Infuse, which is also the same brand that Clubhouse Hotel in Fargo uses. I'm wondering if there's like an independent chain that they all use that. Anyway, it's a nice shower. And this is the heat lamp only. You can hear it ticking. Hair dryer. And you get, where are the towels here? There's a towel there. Oh, there's 2 towels here. All right. Here we have an entry area, nice wide area, full-length mirror. Here's the room. We have a king bed for this room, 2 nightstands. Lots of light, lots of lamps here. We have some prints, I should say, or photos. Nope, this could be a print turned into a photo. I'm not sure. Very cool, very scenic. We have lights, one here, the clock, bed. There is an elephant here. I don't know if everything's an elephant, but we have an elephant towel. Look at that. That's kind of cool. King bed. We have another lamp with an outlet drawer, and you can see the Wyoming theming, kind of dark colors. Leather seat. Night table ottoman with another lamp. And if I can find out how to turn it on. There we go. Nice reading table. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable. I could fall asleep on that. Side table right here, which is a nice add-on. So we have that, and we have another photo right here, which looks pretty nice. Very scenic. This is cowboy country. And then over here, we also have another photo. Oh, from the river, probably. And we have a desk with a lamp, 2 outlets on it, ice, coffee maker. This actually came in the bathroom. Hotel does have free snacks. I picked these up in the lobby, actually, just some maps. TV. And then the hotel, it does gives you 2 drinks, but I guess only... You can read this here, but it's basically... we have an added a snack for you. Sure. Yeah. Welcome to the executive floor guest. To our executive floor guest. Sure. Got 2 free waters. I'm about to throw these in the fridge, actually. Speaking of fridge, we have a fridge down here and a microwave, which is nice. So I'll throw these in. Here's my lunch bag in there. And a microwave. Nice fixtures. And, we have a drawer with a desk here. I didn't see that. And another seat here. And that is the room here. Oh, look at the view. This is facing north, not the best view. The best view is going to face south towards the river. Down there is the conference center and the pool. There is the planetarium right there. Uh-oh, there we go. And then I don't know what that is. It's something. I think it's a museum or a science center or something. But this faces north. The best view is from the south. So yeah, there's that. Oh, AC since it just went on. This one is controlled here, which is fine. It actually works fairly well. It's keeping the room consistent temperature in here, and it's works pretty well. And there's the main town area down there. Anyway, let me know what you think.